On April 28th, the Metropolitan Alliance for Common Good held their Safe Overnight Shelter open house at Prince of Life Lutheran Church in Oregon City to promote ways that churches can become part of the solution to houselessness in Clackamas County.
This was a gathering that explored how we might be responsive to the fact that there are people that don't have a warm, safe place to sleep every night.
Presenters from Oregon churches, as well as MACG and Clackamas County Health, Housing, and Human Services, spoke about how faith communities can get involved and help houseless neighbors. Participants were also given the opportunity to tour several demonstration housing types and see how they can easily be accommodated.
You can't make progress on your own life if you're forced to move every week. And this will give people a safe place to stay so that they can catch their breath and make their own next step forward.
This is an idea that has been, we've tried to move through the county and actually do permitting and zoning to allow on a very small basis with some of the faith-based communities.
I am looking forward to our county working with them and with the faith-based community to help provide additional housing. We can't fix it all, but together we can fix a lot of it.
We can help them. The key first is safe overnight shelter. That's the very first step in helping to address this issue. So this is very welcome and inspiring.
This is clearly a community that, a whole area, a whole county, that get how essential it is to know where you're going to sleep tonight.
Our hope today was that as folks leave this morning workshop, they would not only sense that there's a need for this, and most people that came this morning know there's a need, but they have been equipped to take that next step.